Building a car, you sort of start with your fundamentals, the target weight, or like the characteristics that you want your car to have. And then from that, you build from the ground up, really. A lot of people will look at us and go, oh, we just tinker with cars and make a lot of noise. But the fundamentals of engineering that we learn is far greater and put into practice than a lot of people. The fact that we can start the year with absolutely nothing, and then by July time, we have a full running car, I think it's a great achievement. So there's 3 classes within Formula Student, which is combustion, electric, and driverless. So we were combustion for a long time, and then we made the switch during COVID to electric. It's so nice to meet a group of like-minded individuals. It's a real big community, and then when you go to competition, it's even bigger. You've got this massive group of people who are absolutely fantastic and will support you through anything. The team means a lot to me. They're there to support you, and it just feels like a home away from home is a nice way to put it.